Hi friends! This week you are going to be writing in your journals during our writing assignments. So when you're in your writing assignments, you're going to make sure that you pay attention to the lesson, you read everything, watch all the videos, and when you are ready to show me your journal and submit it to me, you're going to go to click Submit Assignments. Now pay attention because you can only submit this assignment 2 times. So make sure that you are able to upload correctly. So we're going to click on the Submit Assignment button. And that's going to bring up 2 boxes for me, text entry and media. You might not get the text entry, but you will have the media. We're going to click on media. And remember, I'm going to write in my journal and show my teacher what I wrote. So I'm going to record or upload media. And hey there, your camera is going to come up. Now you're ready to start recording. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your journal and this is what you will show your teacher. You will tell her, I did my brainstorming today and I did my plan and organize today. Now that you're done, you click on finish. This is what you will show your teacher. You will tell her, I did my brainstorming today and I did my plan and organize today. Now that you're done, you click on finish. Now we're going to click on save. And I should have that video that I just recorded right here showing my journal. All I have to do is click submit assignment. I'm going to get the confetti showing me that I submitted my assignment. And that is it. It's not going to show up. It's just going to show that it has been submitted. I can look at my submission. If I don't like it, I can resubmit, but I don't have to. So please remember that you have to submit using media. If you have any questions, make sure to ask your teacher.